Tueleze sasa, unafanya nini?
The Egerton University Tree Planting in the Mau complex.
Yes.
And this project is actually for environmental conservation purposes. It is going to help conserve the Mau complex water towers so that we are able to recover, the wasted land and the degraded lands, but at the same time to improve hydrological systems within the Mau complex. So the benefit of tree planting is most important to ensure that we plant the carbon sinks. The trees actually act as carbon sinks. They are able to absorb excess carbon in the atmosphere, therefore storing them in the soils. But at the same time, they provide oxygen, as we all know, and we also get the trees which actually support the transpiration systems, then sustaining hydrological systems. So it's important for each one of us, every Kenyan, to participate in the tree planting, especially towards achieving the 15 billion tree planting objective.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Thank you for the insight. Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Thank you for the insight. So how do we plant a tree to those who don't understand?
Basically, the process of planting a tree is you have to dig a hole, and that hole should be at least approximately 30 centimeters deep. And once you've done that, the soil that is removed from the hole, which is actually fertile soil, should be placed next to the hole. Then you have to remove the plastic cover.
Yes.
You don't plant with the plastic cover, you have to remove the plastic cover or any other cover, biodegradable cover that may be used. Then once you've removed that, you hold it straight like this. Then you have to go down. I'm going to demonstrate. You go down like that. Then you ensure that the fertile soil that is actually collected, that was actually removed from the hole, is the one that is returned. So to sustain the soil fertility and growth levels, but at the same time the soil moisture content and the various soil characteristics. Because if we use soil from other areas, they may be actually having different characteristics that may interfere with the growth of the trees. Yes. So once you've done that, you ensure that you remove any grasses that are around the hole, so that there's reduced competition for nutrients and space. So you have to do that and break down this into smaller pieces. Then you ensure that it is tightly planted like that. Yes.
So now that's a planted seedling.
Planted seedling, tree seedling.
Tree seedling. Now that's nice. What tree is this?
This is basically one of the indigenous tree species, but I don't know the specific
name. It's an indigenous tree species. Oh, that's awesome.
We actually advise the planting of indigenous tree species because they are easily adaptable to this environment. But at the same time, there are certain exotic tree species that may be invasive, so they actually end up consuming a lot of water, space, and may lead to destruction of the ecosystem.